how do I play with all those fallback and rollback strategies in a lab environment before trying a production environment? So how do you practice? That's what we are going to cover here. And basically, there are two ways for doing this, but both ways uses our hands-on lab. So our hands-on lab has 15 guided exercises where you can practice upgrades and also the downgrades. So here in this table, we have some of the flows we have in the hands-on lab. For example, you can depart from 11204 database to a 19C database using auto upgrade. You can later convert this 19C upgrade database that is now in non-CDB and plug it in a CDB database. You can also migrate using full transportable export and import, and also use the unplug plug upgrade method. Also using auto upgrade, and finally, you can upgrade a database running in 12C to 19C using auto upgrade as well. Everything is contained in our hands-on lab. And those are the upgrades, but we also have the fallback and rollback methods included in the hands-on lab. So you can play with flashback, you can play with the partial offline backups, you can downgrade even using data pump in the hands-on lab, okay? So the hands-on lab is available in two ways for you. One is through a virtual box where you can play with this lab in your own computer. The other is using live labs where you can deploy it very fast. It takes 6 to 10 minutes to deploy an environment there where you can play for a full day, okay? So if you go with the VirtualBox image, you can download it on the database upgrade block. The link is available here. And then you can, in this menu, open the fallback to practice the fallback methods. If you go with the live labs, first you open the HitHats guide to database upgrade link, and then you click this reserve workshop on live labs button. When you click on that button, it will take about 6 to 10 minutes to deploy an environment for you. So when this environment is deployed, you check for it on this My Reservations button in the tab above here. So when you click on that button, it will send you to another page where you have these My Reservations. And when you click on the launch workshop, when you click on it, you will get a remote desktop link, but you don't need to install anything. Once you click on that link, a new tab will open in your browser, and this tab is like a VNC viewer. This tab has all the access to this environment. So in this environment, you also have the instructions open, and you can navigate to it. You don't need to open another tab. You can stay on that tab and do everything on that self-contained tab, okay? So you can also follow this YouTube video, which is a walkthrough these live labs. So you can play with the live labs, watching the videos, so you can do both in parallel, okay?